fun option if you want to look a little dressier going to a festival. It has a long strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody. It also comes, ooh, you can see inside. It comes with an additional hand strap, so you can carry it as a handbag. Beautiful clasp. It's acrylic, hard acrylic on the outside, and the softer plastic here, making it easy to open and close. It holds my phone and a little wallet with 2 cards in it, and a lip gloss or lipstick perfectly. Make sure you have a pretty wallet because you can see everything. Anyway, I've used this for a while now. Love it. Very durable, very handy, and very pretty.